What is good, YouTube? I'm back. It's your boy Pree, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, we doing drinking card game. This card game called, what's it called, Victor?
Drink with frenemies.
Drink with frenemies.
Move the bread.
Really, dog? Give me bread. Give me bread. Who you got in the building?
Oh, we got the remix kid, Jay Price. Yeah.
Jay Price.
Ming the Toys. VVS Nails with an S and a Z. Yo, it's Shay, baby. Shay with a C.
I don't know where the ninja.
Touch.
Yes, sir. So look, we gonna get into the video right now.
There's 5 different kinds of cards. There is drink cards, which is basically going to make you drink. Game cards, meaning the whole table has to play a game, or you pick somebody to play that game. Special, it's a special card. Frenemy rule, that's basically a rule you give somebody that they have to do the entire game. And if they don't do it, every turn they drink. And group rule, that's where everybody has to do a rule, and if they don't, they drink. You heard? Let's get it. So how we pick who goes first, everyone's going to point to somebody of their choosing, and that whoever gets the most points to, they go first. And then it goes from to the left of them. 1, 2, 3. Who you point to, man?
It's B.
Oh, yeah.
It's you. It's you.
It's you.
Alright, so start.
Alright. So y'all ready, right?
Word.
Alright. So last player to stick out the middle finger takes 1 drink. You heard?
Don't you dare. It was Victor.
What?
He was like, I see her. Like, don't
She
you
know.
dare.
I was looking at her. I was like, alright. Victor, I have to take 1 drink.
I did, bitch.
Frenemy rule. Choose one player. Every time they swear, you get to write the swear word on them. Danger, you pretty light.
Alright.
So every time I swear, you gotta write the swear word on me?
Yeah, no homo.
Every time you what?
Every time you curse.
Oh, every time you curse? Alright, bet. So hold on, look. Roll reverse.
How you go?
What do you mean? I already read the
Hold on. Reassign the current.
Bro, what?
I'm about to reassign that right now. So look. What is
So
it?
it's the special cards. Sometimes you can play them at any point and they negate certain cards. That's why they're special cards. So no.
No.
Reassign the current frenemy rule to the original frenemy. So the person that played the card now has that rule.
That's crazy.
Yes,
That's crazy. So anytime you swear, Pree gotta write it on you now.
You're pretty.
So basically, like, he just played that card. Word. You picked up another card?
This is a game card,
Wait,
and
alright.
it says, dare one player to put their foot in their mouth. If they refuse, they take 4 shots. Well,
Yeah.
Put their foot in your mouth. Who's gonna put their foot in your mouth?
Oh, boy.
Or you gonna take 4 sips of your drink.
because you poured so much liquor, I'm gonna go ahead and call you Victor.
So I'm gonna play my special card. I don't have to drink for 5 turns. You heard? Go ahead, Britt.
You already picked up a card?
Oh, wow.
That's like a get out of jail card. Okay. So it's my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Bitch, you didn't even read out the card out loud. Wow.
You gotta take 4 drinks. Okay, it says after the count of 3, freeze where you are and stop talking. First player to move or make a sound takes 4 drinks.
This nigga was talking the whole fucking time. Bro, after this nigga was talking, I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, alright, nobody doing nothing. I'm like, oh, alright, bitch. Alright,
So after the count of 3. One more drink.
what you talking about?
Damn, it's crazy. I wasn't even paying attention.
To be honest, bro.
I just stared at her.
Yeah, I was like, this
And then I was like, yo, what the fuck
Nigga was talking the whole time though, bro.
Nah, but
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, I'll use this one. Beer bitch. Choose one player to fetch anyone a drink whenever they are in need of one.
That's gonna be new, but alright.
That's a frenemy card?
Yeah. Sounds like it?
Yeah, so with frenemy cards, they're
Oh,
gonna
gee, that's you.
that's gonna stay on the board. If someone else plays a frenemy card, they can play that and pick a new person. But it takes off your frenemy. So that's the only way someone else gets saved. Because I'm not drinking for, the next 4 turns, I'm gonna play this to get it out my hand. Guys, take 2 drinks. So it's your turn, fam.
Oh, Lord. Your turn now.
What you doing?
It
Guys,
says guys.
Oh, that's fucked up. That's how you were just, because you always.
I had a plan, bro. I already knew. Once I played that other card, that shit was going on my head next, bro. I'm not trying to drink, bro. What you mean? No fuck. We already played around. You remember? I'm kind of nice, alright?
Come on, that's everybody. My turn.
Yeah.
Alright, so the objective of the game is to get the cards out your hand, right? Get it all
The game's not gonna. The game can't finish
This is
until.
not
Goldfish.
This is not.
Not Uno.
That's what I'm saying.
Every time you put down a card, you pull up one, so you can't get them out your hand again.
It's to take the least amount of shots.
It's to take the least amount of shots. That's the object of the game.
Choose one player to say who they would fuck, marry, and kill between 3 players of choosing. Fuck. Okay, cool. Yeah.
Wow.
Fuck player gives 2 drinks. Married player gets one drink. Kill player gets 2 drinks. Has to take 2 drinks.
Wow. So if I get married, then we got to
So if we get married, get 1 drink, then everybody else is getting 2 drinks.
So we got to pick.
So you gotta pick somebody to do that.
Yes.
This is getting crazy.
So wait, what if they don't want to do it?
You pick Victoria.
What if they don't
I
wanna
just
do
had
it?
a strong feeling.
All you gotta do is smash Mary too, and then
Or take 5 drinks and that's the clip. I'm gonna drink to that. I'm going to drink to
You
that.
said 5?
5 drinks are go 1. Alright, my turn. Choose one player to insult themselves before they take a drink. Every time they don't, they take 1 additional drink.
Oh, that's a new frenemy rule. Okay, so it's on you.
That's all.
Okay, so
You want me to?
you can keep that in front of you.
This is mine too?
No, it replaces
Oh.
this. So just keep that with you. That's so
Okay, so I have to insult myself.
before taking a shot.
Okay.
If
I'm
you
ask
remember.
If you don't, you gotta take an extra shot.
Okay.
Okay.
Say at least, this is a group rule. Say at least 1 swear word when you speak. Every time you don't, take 1 drink.
So Bumbleclad, this is a rule that stay yes up for the rest of the game until it's replaced. There can be 2 at a time.
Oh, okay, fuck.
Word, Bumbleclad.
Pussy Ross.
So you have to curse in order to talk.
Every fucking word you gotta
Wait, what they
cuss.
say?
Like every
Every
time
fucking
you say,
sentence.
You definitely have to fuck that drink.
That's what I'm
You
talking
definitely have to
about.
fuck it.
Hold on.
so every time you say something, you gotta say
Say
a
at
curse
least
word
one
at the end. Fuck.
Yeah, no, it says say at least
She
one
said
swear
shit.
word. I said
said
shit,
shit.
then I talk.
Yeah.
So I'm straight because I
Okay,
curse.
yeah, you're right.
But
Shit.
nigga,
But you didn't insult yourself before.
You didn't.
that's before I take
You
a
didn't even
shot.
say nothing.
You gotta
You
take a
wait on
fucking
me.
shot, bitch. Take a fucking shot.
You fucked up, man.
Whose
Fuck
fucking
you
turn is
too.
it?
Shit, I don't like this game.
Oh, you good at it. Fuck.
Shit, you better take a shot.
I said fuck. Fuck.
On the fucking skin I game no. Bumbleclad. Every time he cuss, he's supposed to say. You're supposed to write it on him. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh!
Dog, you could have taken a shot them two in the dog. Bumbo class.
That's fucked up.
Wait before you play that.
Don't fuck it.
What's shit?
Damn, that's
I'm just waiting to catch you slacking fuck.
Bye, my nigga. Fuck.
Fuck, bro. Look. What this talking about? Right, this way. Now go right this way.
Oh shit, dog. Sorry, the price. Bumbo class.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
yeah. You might be taking shots because you got.
Whose fucking turn is it? Whose fucking turn is it?
Hold on.
She needed help.
Nah,
Help me, Howard.
Okay. So this is a game.
Oh yeah, Bumbo class.
Card.
Yeah.
Choose two players to take turns saying penis louder and louder. The player who says it the loudest wins. Loser takes 2 drinks.
Fuck. So she gotta pick 2 players, and them 2 players gotta say penis back and forth, loud as fuck.
Yeah, and who's the loudest wins.
That's fucked up.
You never swear a while ago, fuck, so you have to take a shot.
I mean, it's not fucking shit.
But still, it fuck.
You gotta pick 2 players.
Yeah, shit. Yeah.
Why the fuck you
Y'all
love
looking
look
at
for
us
me?
like y'all
Eh?
safe.
Every time she get fucking cash, she look for me like she wanna give me the cash. Bye for my girl, fuck.
Okay.
Man, just
You
stay
gotta
at the door,
take a shot
fucking
because you ain't
pick me.
saying curse word, fuck. Bitch, you too. I said fuck at the end. Didn't I say fuck?
She did.
Okay. It don't matter. It don't matter. Fuck.
Any fucking
Any
word.
fuck, yeah.
Any fucking
Just
word.
a curse word.
As long as it's in the fucking sentence, you heard? Word. Fuck.
You have to keep saying fuck.
You
Loud fuck.
and her have to take turns.
How much
Thank
bumbo
you.
flash shot man? Tell me.
They still have to fucking cuss though,
You
ain't
still
it?
got a gusto.
Tell me how much
While
fucking
you're
shot
talking,
I could get.
because that's fucked up.
Do they
You
still
heard?
have to?
They gotta fucking do it. You gotta fucking.
You gotta do it.
You gotta fucking do it, bro.
We're about to come to that.
There's no. It doesn't say anything about no fucking shots unless you lose.
Bumbo flash, look at me now, no.
Yo, fucker, yo. All right, y'all start this shit up.
Start go first.
Yeah, go on.
Fuck penis. Fuck penis.
We bumbo flash. We gotta go higher.
You have to fucking raise up the volume every time. Shit. Yo, you gotta beep all this out on fucking YouTube, bro. It's gonna be beep. Fuck.
Fuck penis.
Fuck penis.
Fuck penis.
You gotta go louder.
Fuck it. O'Shea, just take your 2 shots, bro. You lost, bro. Fuck it.
Fuck penis.
Oh shit. Make sure y'all fucking subscribe to the channel. You see what we're doing for you fucktards?
Oh,
Run it up.
shit.
Whose turn? Whose fucking turn is it? Word. Fuck.
Fuck.
The next 4 players are skipped. They're 4 drinks. Fuck. What I mean? Fuck.
Fuck. You gotta
Before bumbo flash.
give 4
No,
drinks?
it says
I don't
the next
fucking know.
fucking- No, it says the next fucking 4 players
Hold
skip.
on.
Next 4
Before
players
fucking drink.
give 4 drinks to
You
who?
fucking slut.
Fuck. I'm just gonna fucking take the drink.
Wait. Fuck.
No, I'm gonna skip.
You fucked up.
I didn't-
Just take the fucking drink.
I didn't take no fucking shot, first of all.
Make it skip
Yo,
before the drink.
click your button.
Bumbo flash.
Fuck.
Man, no, it's not bumbo flash either, man. That man, you know.
Alright.
Oh, I like it. Them
All
fucking-
he has is
Group rule shit.
Well, I
Use
like
air.
Oh, we get skip bumbo flash.
Use air quotes before and after you speak. Every time you don't take 1 drink. Fuck.
Yo.
Oh, yes.
Yo.
Yeah, for one.
Fuck.
Yeah, for fucking one.
Fuck. I need this round to end. There's
Fuck.
too much fucking shit going on.
Oh, somebody gotta fucking
Yo,
replace
listen,
this card.
You
Fuck.
gotta fucking use air quotes every time you fucking speak. So you gotta curse and fucking use air quotes.
Fuck, no, that's fucking
Oh, it's a
everybody,
group
bro.
rule.
You gotta drink now, bitch. Nah, nigga, fucking drink. Bitch ass fucking nigga. Most left in that fucking place.
That's fucked up.
I know when y'all have a fucking game over card, y'all better use that fucking shit.
Wait, what the fuck is going on?
It gotta be your fucking turn to use the game over card.
Stop acting like you ain't been doing that fucking shit from middle school.
Listen to me,
I don't think I fucking got a turn
You
yet.
ain't even have to say bitch at the fucking first word. You fucking whore.
Yo, this is fucking funny. What you saying, Ming? Fuck.
About to end this shit right the fuck now.
It's your turn, right?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck, Ming, please.
She won.
One game, get that. Fuck.
She definitely
Oh,
won
I
that
didn't even
shit.
fucking.
No, that's not.
She didn't win that shit.
Wait,
That's only for
hold on.
that. Fuck. That's only for fucking game cards. So like, if this shit was one of the cards they played, you play that.
Okay,
So that's a
Yeah,
special
that's-
card.
you gotta-
If they play a game card, you play that. The game done. Next turn. Word. Fuck. So. But who just fucking went though? I'm trying to figure out. Oh no. Okay. Fuck.
Take turns saying fuzzy duck, does he fuzz, or does he fuck? First player to mess up or hesitate takes 2 drinks. Does he fuck? Reverse order. If he does.
Fuck.
Read this one. Hold on.
I'm so sorry. Fuck. Repeat that.
You gotta fucking say that. Or you speaking like
Wait.
German over there.
Wait, hold on. Can I finish first so that I can understand myself too?
Alright, go ahead.
Okay,
Fuck.
Does he fuck? Reverse order. If he does, if does he fuck is not said. Player's alternative says fuzzy duck and.
Oh Lord. Fuck.
What the fuck is this?
Fucking confused.
Okay, I'm gonna
That's
go again. Hold on,
fucked
fuck.
up,
Where the fuck you got this game, bro?
Okay, fuck. Take turns saying fuzzy duck, ducky fuzz, or does he fuck? First player to mess up or hesitate takes 2 drinks. Does he fuck? Reverse order. If does he fuck is not said. Player's alternative does fuzzy duck.
What the fuck? Bumba track. So for
Either way
think
this
that
fucking
if
goes,
they
I'm
said,
taking my 2
does he
shots.
fuck and you fuck
now.
with them, they just say,
No drink. First player to hesitate or
yeah,
mess
you might
up or
say everybody
take 2
just
drinks.
fucking
Fuck.
take 2 shots now.
Yeah, just say fuck it, dog. I take 2 shots. Everybody
No,
just take
fuck
2
that.
shots. Nah,
What you
because we
say?
don't know if we do that. Just take a 2 shot.
Fuzzy fuck.
Does he fuck?
Does he fuck?
What?
Does he fuck?
Does he fuck?
Fuzzy duck.
I ain't gonna lie.
Does he fuck?
That shit. Fuck
Me don't know y'all say that.
Does he
I
fuck?
already took my fucking shots. I took my fucking shots already. Next fucking turn.
Serious, just go on. Bumba track.
It's your turn.
Oh. Wow, I didn't know. Fuck. Each player says one thing about the player to their right. To player to their right, they should stop doing. Players who don't think of something within 10 seconds takes 2 drinks.
Oh, easy thing that. But
Fuck.
What the fuck do we have to do?
all they have to fucking do is say something to the person they fucking right.
None of you are fucking air quoting. Take a
Suck your
shot,
bum
bitch.
butt. Yeah.
Take a fucking shot. Your
Bitch, I
bum
was
butt.
air quoting.
You was not. Your arms is under your fucking pits, man.
I was
Fucking dirty liar, yo.
We on camera, you
Take
trying
a,
to
yeah, see me red fucking.
You gotta take a drink either in person, or
Shut
fucking
the
do that.
fuck
Facts.
Stop.
You fucker, yo. Take another shot, bitch.
Check the recorder, you heard?
Wait, I thought we
Man's
was
fucking
supposed
frost.
to stop this shit.
Nah, this shit right
No,
here.
the group rules still up there something.
Use fucking air quotes before and after every fucking word you speak. Every time you don't fucking do this, take 1 drink. Fuck.
Looking at a bumba clap, I mean, have a group rule and
Whose fucking turn is it?
I'm gonna fucking go first because we're
It
still
is
doing
your
my
turn. Your fucking
card.
turn. Yeah.
Wait, how? We ain't moved yet? Fuck.
All we did was read my fucking card. We ain't fucking
Oh, we
playing.
still on Fuzzy Duck. Fuck.
No,
No,
we not on
fuck.
that fucking shit no more.
Oh,
What fucking
listen.
card did you
Y'all
play?
fucking up.
Wait, better.
You heard? Get it right.
All we have to fucking do is say something. No, wait, you gotta pick fucking person.
You say something about the person to the fucking right,
Right.
that they should stop
Fuck
fucking
that.
do it.
Exactly.
I'm gonna go fucking first.
Fuck.
That they're not doing.
Mickey,
What
you
the
should
fuck?
stop eating my
That they
fucking
should
pickles.
stop fucking doing.
Mink, you should stop eating my fucking candy. Oh, yeah. Drink.
You gotta fucking drink too because you didn't curse. Or double drink.
I said
Fuck.
fuck.
Nah, you said something before. You didn't say something. Fuck. Two.
So much time
Fuck.
out for drinks.
Okay, pause. I don't do that shit. White Pree.
You didn't fucking cuss. Fuck.
You fucked up, bro. They like you like a fucking hawk, bro.
We the fucking cussing police. Okay?
Fucking Taj. Stop fucking wearing these duck ass do-rags every fucking time I see you.
I thought this shit was
Victor.
fictional.
Stop fucking buying car parts for your fucking Honda Civic.
Okay, my dad, bitch. Say, stop talking so much. There we go. Who's fucking next? Me?
Gosh darn it, fuck.
I'm changing the fucking group rule. No more air quotes. You heard? Fuck.
I love that fucking shit.
About fucking time, because I was
The
tired.
rule is put your middle finger
Stop
up
doing
when
it.
drinking. I didn't change the rule yet.
Oh, wow, fuck.
It's the last fucking person.
Look,
Right. So
put
she-
your middle finger up when drinking.
Fucking girl.
Every time you don't, you have to take an extra
What
fucking
the
shot.
fuck is going on?
No, look, wait.
Cause there's
She
two
just said her
conversations.
secret fucking word, right? And I was the first fucking one to curse. Then you was. Then I think it was Harriel, and then fucking Taj, and then him. She didn't say nothing at all. That's how I was like, wait, cause I was, cause when he was fucking reading, everybody was like, what the fuck, da. And then she like, what the fuck is going
I
on?
didn't
I
fucking
heard
hear
it,
it, I
but I
swear.
forgot.
Her secret word.
I was just cussing because we had to fucking cuss.
I forgot. What the
I know
fuck?
she's right there. That's all. When I heard that, I was
I
like,
just
fuck.
heard, gosh darn it. I'm like, what happened?
So guys, we don't have to fucking do air quotes anymore. The new group rule. Yo, fuck.
Listen to what the fuck he
Oh,
said.
I finally got a
It-
good card.
You don't fucking have to do air quotes anymore. The new fucking rule is that every time you take a fucking drink, you gotta put your middle finger up. If you fucking don't, it's an extra drink. Fuck.
Okay, fucking cool.
Wow, that's
Anytime you have to fucking take a drink, you have to put your middle finger up,
low-key
or you
fucking
fucking
lit,
gotta
though.
take an extra drink.
Your fucking turn.
I gotta draw one. Fuck.
My fucking turn.
So any fucking time you take a drink, I need a fucking drink, bitch.
Middle
Just take a
finger
middle
up,
finger.
fuck, nigga.
Take that drink
Now
again.
you gotta
Yeah,
take
fuck,
another
fuck,
sip, fuck, nigga.
You wanna fucking.
Oh, you fuck up while you're.
What's the first fucking part? I was talking about this shit, bro.
Alright,
Where's
so
the
y'all
spliff?
ready?
Get past the spliff, bro. I need a fucking spliff, dog.
Y'all ready for this fucked up shit, right? Alright.
For
So
real, big.
choose one fucking player to continuously stare at another player of your choosing. Every time they don't, they take one fucking drink.
We at bumble like we for all fucking long. I just have to fucking steer.
It's a fucking frenemy card, so for the rest of the game.
You gotta be fucking here.
I fucking swear.
So we just stare.
Whoever he fucking chooses has to
So
stare
we're just sitting making
at whoever
eye
he
contact?
fucking chooses. So basically, he picks somebody for you to fucking stare at, and you gotta fucking stare at them for the rest of the
fucking
game.
game.
Every turn, basically, I think it's for.
fucking rule again, change again.
Fuck, hold on.
Fuck.
It get changed if somebody else have the frenemy card?
You have to stare at him for the rest of the game.
Just stare. Just look at him. You feel good?
Money.
What? Whose fucking turn is it?
We done with the cursing business.
Wait,
No, the fuck we're not, because that's a group
We're
rule.
done with the fucking
So that's
air
fucking
quotes.
everybody.
We're done with the fucking air quotes.
Yeah, we don't fucking air quote anymore.
Air quotes.
But there,
But it's alright still, cause I got done with it right, fucking, isn't it? So,
you have to take another fucking shot because they never put up a middle finger.
Oh yeah, bumper. Fucked up. Anyway,
You was waiting on
You
that.
right? Yeah, and fuck niggas caught me with that shit. I had to kill somebody.
Alright,
Oh,
fuck.
share?
Say,
Fuck.
please take X fucking drinks. I love this card. It has fucking in it. when giving drinks. Okay, so say please take X fucking drinks. I guess I put a number there. It's an X. Fuck.
So you have to
When
fucking
giving
pick
drinks.
somebody?
Nah, I guess everybody do this in the group. Every time you don't take one drink. So please take
This one.
2 fucking drinks when giving drinks. Every time you don't take one drink.
What the fuck? That's a fucking group rule.
Yes.
So
you
fuck, which one are you
have to
replacing?
say
Which one are you fucking replacing?
the bumble clock cursing word.
The cussing fucking one?
Yes.
Perfect.
So we don't gotta curse.
You don't
no
have to curse
you
no
have
more.
to say, please take 2 fucking drinks.
So every time we talk, you gotta say, please take 2 fucking drinks. Hello, please take 2 fucking drinks. Like that. Please take
Please
2
take 2
drinks.
fucking drinks. That sounds
No.
stupid.
I'd
rather fucking curse.
So you when you're giving somebody a drink, when you get a card and you have to give somebody a drink,
Fuck that.
you gotta tell them 2 fucking drinks or you take 1 drink.
Fuck that shit.
You
Guess
played it,
what?
bitch.
That's what you guys.
2 fucking.
This shit is done. We done. We done. I played the card. We're done. You play that.
Let's switch
anytime.
decks. Let's
No,
play the.
you gotta wait till it's your turn. Still.
I got like 2 of them.
It's here, girl.
They won't want me to try to read that shit too.
My turn was kind of nice too.
No, you can play it at any time to end the game.
No, it has to be your turn.
No, Papa, it says anytime.
Let me see what it say anytime. Let me see.
Anytime.
If the cat say anytime, it's anytime.
Word.
Yeah, the card said anytime.
Anytime.
I got like 2 of them. I got like, yo.
You got 2 of them, fam? The fuck is y'all niggas do? Y'all just torturing us?
He got
But wait. To finish it, the players to your left and right each take a frenemy shot. So y'all 2 gotta take shots, like a big go.
Oh, okay.
big cup.
Hello? Slide door.
Okay, say by the bell.
Slide door.
Yeah, gang, and that was the end of the what was that game called?
Drink with
Oh.
frenemies.
Drink with Frenemies. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree and the gang in this building. We about to do another one. So stay tuned for this video.